On all Chromebook, we get Google search as the default search engine. However, if you want to change your default search engine to Microsoft Bing, then you can do so. For that, simply follow this video till the end. To change the default search engine on your Chromebook, simply open Chrome browser, click on three-dot icon, then click on settings. Here click on search engine option. Now here we have an option to change the default search engine on Chromebook. Simply click on change and select your preferred search engine. For now, I'm going to change it to Microsoft Bing. Then click on set as default. Now whatever you search using Google Chrome browser, it will go through Microsoft Bing. Let me show you. As you can see here. So that's it. This is how you can make Bing default search engine on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.